In this video, how to set up a TP-Link router as a wireless access. Let's go start. 2 easy methods to configure to router. Method 1, use in built operation mode. Open a web browser on your connected computer and go to 192.168.0.1 and enter. Default username and password is admin. Click on Login. In the left-hand menu, click on Operation Mode. If your TP-Link router has this Operation 3 mode option, then can you easily switch its working mode from router to access point. Click Save, then click OK. Give it a minute to reload its configuration. After reboot, you will be kicked out of the admin panel. That's normal. You can log in again. Then click on Quick Mode. Then click on Next. Again, select Confirm Access Point and click on Next. After login, you can set your access point Wi-Fi name password. Then click on Next. Then click on Next. Congratulations! The settings is finished. The TP-Link router is now working in access point. Method 2, without operation mode. If there is no operation mode menu on the web interface of your TP-Link router, then you can do the setup by using this method. Please follow the steps. Default username and password is admin. Click on Login. Then click on Network on the left side menu option. Then click on LAN. You need to change the IP address of your TP-Link router to an IP address on the same segment of the main router. Also make sure the IP address is outside the main router's DHCP range. For example, you can set the IP of the TP-Link router. Click Save, then click OK. After changing the LAN IP address, the router will be rebooted. The default username and password are admin. Never saved. Then click on DHCP. Then click on Disable the DHCP server and click on Save. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.